How's it going, everybody? Doug Janowicz, Progressive Force Concepts Deputy Chief Instructor. Started my career out in the Navy. I'm a former SEAL, Buds Class 254. Spent most of my time at SEAL Team 2 over on the East Coast. Got out of the Navy in 2011. Did some contracting while I was working part-time with PFC here in Las Vegas. Came on full-time about 10 years ago, mostly on the training side of the house, training military units, law enforcement professionals, executive protection teams, security professionals as well. But if I'm needed on the safeguard side of the house with Progressive Force Concepts, I'm always working details to stay current on that side. Current things that are happening right now, or that we travel for, actually I should say most consistently, are the TAC Ops conferences that we teach at, the law enforcement conferences, mostly on the East Coast. We teach at TAC Ops East, TAC Ops South down in Nashville, and TAC Ops North, or NYTOA. Those conferences we travel all the time. We teach at those consistently every single year. That's a great question. Sometimes we get looked at as a military-specific or security professional-specific training organization. So it's very, very common. People have that perception of the company, but we're very approachable. We teach civilians all the time, and not a lot of people actually know that. We've had great feedback and great success with civilians, whether it's from a beginner standpoint, fundamental courses, safety, very specific safety courses, CCW courses, all the way up to more professional level civilian shooters with competition status and things like that. I personally like to see a progression with students where somebody maybe not doing too well on the range, if it's a range course or something like that, and seeing progression throughout a certification course, especially where they might not be confident in the beginning and then they end up passing a course they never thought they would ever pass.